Are you a beginner guitarist who dreams of playing like your favorite rock star? Do you find yourself struggling to make progress and feel overwhelmed by all the information out there? Don't worry, because in this article, we will guide you through 10 easy steps that will help you master the guitar and achieve musical mastery. By following these steps, you'll not only improve your skills but also gain confidence in your abilities. Step 1. Set clear goals. Before embarking on any journey, it's important to set clear goals. Define what success means to you as a guitarist. Whether it's learning to play your favorite song or performing on stage, having specific objectives will keep you focused and motivated. Step 2. Invest in quality equipment. To become a master guitarist, investing in quality equipment is crucial. Purchase a well-made guitar that suits your style and preferences. Additionally, ensure that your instrument is properly tuned for optimal sound quality. Step 3. Learn proper technique. Learning proper technique from the beginning is essential for long-term success. Take time to understand correct hand positioning, finger placement on the fretboard, and how to strum or pick strings effectively. This foundation will serve as a solid base for future progress. Step 4. Start with basic chords. Beginners often get overwhelmed by complex chord formations. Start with basic chords such as C major, G major, D major, E minor. These are commonly used in many songs across various genres. Practice transitioning between chords smoothly until they become second nature. Step 5. Master essential scales. Scales are fundamental building blocks of music theory and can greatly enhance your improvisation skills. Begin with simple scales like the pentatonic scale or blues scale before moving on to more advanced ones like major or minor scales. Step 6. Develop your ear training skills. Ear training is a vital skill for any musician. Train your ears to recognize different notes, intervals, and chord progressions. This will enable you to play songs by ear and improvise with confidence. Step 7. Practice regularly. Consistency is key when it comes to mastering the guitar. Set aside dedicated practice time each day, even if it's just 15 minutes. Regular practice will help build muscle memory and improve your overall playing ability. Step 8. Learn songs you love. Learning songs you love can be a great motivator and make practicing more enjoyable. Start with simpler songs that match your current skill level and gradually work your way up to more challenging pieces. Step 9. Seek guidance from experienced guitarists. Don't hesitate to seek guidance from experienced guitarists or take lessons from a qualified instructor. They can provide valuable feedback, correct any bad habits you may have developed, and offer personalized advice tailored to your specific needs. Step 10. Embrace the journey. Remember that learning an instrument takes time and effort. It's not an overnight process. Embrace the journey of becoming a master guitarist. Enjoy every milestone reached along the way, no matter how small they may seem. In conclusion, by following these 10 easy steps, setting clear goals, investing in quality equipment, learning proper technique, starting with basic chords and scales, developing ear training skills, practicing regularly, learning songs you love while seeking guidance from experienced guitarists, you'll be well on your way towards mastering the guitar and achieving musical mastery. Remember that consistency is key. Stay committed to regular practice sessions, as this will ultimately lead you closer to realizing your dreams of becoming an accomplished guitarist. So pick up that guitar today and start strumming away.